Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for smart ways to save money on your personal loan, you're in the right place. Personal loans can be a great tool for managing expenses, but the interest and fees can really add up. Today, I'm going to share some practical tips on how to cut down costs and pay off that loan faster. Ready to save some cash? Let's dive right in. First things first, know your loan inside and out. That means understanding the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. Often we sign up for loans and don't fully grasp the fine print, but this information is key. A lower interest rate can save you thousands over the loan term. If your loan has a high rate, it might be worth exploring refinancing options. We'll get to that in a minute. One of the easiest ways to save on your personal loan is to make extra payments when you can. Even small additional payments can reduce your principal faster, which means you'll pay less interest overall. Just make sure your lender doesn't penalize you for early repayments. Many loans allow for this without any fees, but double-check to avoid surprises. Refinancing is another powerful tool to save money. If interest rates have dropped since you took out your loan, or if your credit score has improved, you may be eligible for a lower interest rate. Refinancing essentially means taking out a new loan at a lower rate to pay off your current loan. Over time, this can cut down on the amount you pay in interest. Next, consider debt consolidation. If you have multiple loans or credit card debt, consolidating everything into one personal loan with a lower interest rate can make repayment easier and cheaper. Instead of juggling several payments, you'll only have one, and with better terms, you'll likely save money overall. Setting up automatic payments is a simple but effective strategy. Many lenders offer interest rate discounts if you enroll in autopay because it reduces the risk of missed payments. Even a small percentage off your rate can add up to significant savings over time. Plus, you won't have to worry about missing a due date. Believe it or not, you can sometimes negotiate with your lender to reduce fees or adjust your repayment terms. Lenders are often open to discussions, especially if you've been a reliable customer. Call and ask if they can offer a lower interest rate or waive any upcoming fees. It never hurts to ask. Speaking of fees, it's important to be aware of any extra costs that come with your loan, like late payment fees or processing charges. These fees can add up quickly and derail your repayment plan. Keep an eye on your statements, and try to avoid fees by paying on time or negotiating them down. So there you have it, some simple but effective strategies to save money on your personal loan. From making extra payments to refinancing or consolidating debt, there are plenty of ways to reduce the total cost of your loan. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.